Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Seng National People's Party lapan banai ki Kyrtong Ïakhun yak Ilekshon MP jong snem arajar arpusaw. KNPP lapan bana bagakong Ampareen lingdot na Shalong maka Agatha sangma na tura kindai ki Kyrtong ki Ïakhun yak Ilekshon MP. Yakani ka jing penbana lapan tepdo Presiden berthamai ka Seng walong ruk pemusembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela ba Presiden Tensong menta ka janmit jong kasingi thok ding ka arpusaw trik unai wing arajar arpulai. Hadin ka jing syamrai ju ki dukhat ka Seng layo ka jing menjur no National President ke NPP ukonut ke sangma baan penyeng Kyrtong ya kong Ampareen bari ka Agatha na Shalong batura Ïakhun ya Ilekshon MP.
So let me just refresh your mind. That day when we had our first of office bearers meeting, you people insisted me, hey, tell me the name of the candidate. So this evening is the day for us to declare officially the name of the candidates from both the constituencies. One is Shillong Parliamentary Constituency and number 2 is Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So I'm so happy to now declare, after getting the clearance from the Honorable National President Shri Konrad Sama, the approval for the proposed candidatures of these two constituencies. So I'm happy to tell you that Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, it has been approved that Dr. Ampareen will be our official candidate. And number 2 from Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Mrs. Agatha sitting MP, will be our official candidate in the upcoming MP election 2024. So this is the only announcement which I would like to share with all of you.